In this video, I'll be discussing about the one of the very common CSS interview question which I faced, and I'm pretty much sure you also have seen it in many of your interviews. So let's just see directly by jumping into the code. So we have a HTML in this particular form, and if you see, we have a multiple p tags, and all the p tags are having the same class, and the class is defined here. So where it's having some font, some size, and some style, and some blah 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 text is there. So the question is, change the color of last p tag. So this is the question. I repeat it again. Change the color of last p tag. So this was a question which was asked by the interviewer, and he was saying you should not change anything or the color of any of the p tags which are above the last one. So that was the question which he asked me. Now, how we can do that? So there are multiple ways. There is no as such, I'll say, the one defined answer or only the one answer. There are multiple ways. So I'll share a couple of the ways how we can do that. I'll share first the bad way, which came into my mind and which I answered. So that was what I'll do. Make it as ID. Let's say test, and then go above, write it in script. Tag, I'll add the document.ready function. Then I will access this test here, and since it's an ID, I'll use hash dot css, and then I'll write the color, make it as red, save it. So if you see, the color is changed. So this was the answer which came into my mind and I answered it, but honestly this is not the best answer, I'll say that. The reason being, when I came back and I googled it, I find multiple other options and multiple easier solutions. Just see, there are what are the other options, what are the other ways how we can update the color of the p tag. So to do that, I'll just quickly remove this thing and remove the test here. And what I'll be doing here, I'll create a one class with the name test and just write the color as red. Okay, save it and come back. Now there are two ways, so I'll be doing the first way now. Create a div, put this p inside the div and add the class to this div. So if I add the test class, automatically the color is changed. This is the better answer comparing to what I answered. So this is another way how you can change the color of a p tag by adding a div and then assigning the class. So that I have just added the red to this particular class so that other p's are not updated, they are not affected. So this is what is the second option, you can say. Now the best option, what you can do, just remove this div. Now we have a test class, just paste it, put it here. That's it. So this is the best answer. We're not going to update anything in any of the other classes or in any of the other p tags. This is the cleanest way how we can update the color of the last p tag. There is no need to add any div or create an ID or to add a script. You just create a class and add the color in there in that particular class and then put it here. So we can directly update the color of the last p tag. As per me, this is the best solution, and if you think there is any other way, you can also suggest me. We'll take a look. And if you like this video, please do subscribe. Thank you.